The best ideas have their beginnings in Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where creative authors at Hooray Studios redefine the meaning of personalized gifts with books that spark magic in the hearts of children and adults alike. As one of the most rapidly growing Slovenian companies, Hooray Studios has been creating tailor-made books inspired by unique stories of children and adults for more than 7 years. Today, its limitless imagination derives from a family of more than 100 dedicated creators, whose goal is to paint a smile on children's faces and bring tears of joy to parents' eyes.
Our books offer more than 1 billion possibilities of personalization. They are truly a keepsake filled with emotion that never loses its magic. Every customer puts a part of themselves into the story, and the end result is something memorable the whole family can cherish. We make parents and their little ones happy, but the goal is to do that for everyone, expanding our concept of personalized books for children to books for the wider family that even include pets, opened up new market opportunities that we had not detected before.
Hooray Studios initially offered 5 different personalized books. At the moment, there are over 70 in their collection, often praised by the most popular celebrities worldwide. With creative ideas, such as personalized books and toys, Hooray Studios captures the imagination of people across the globe and turns every single family into a hero of its own tale. By being green, creative, and smart, Hooray Studios is an example of the inspiring Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Write your own story in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.